Good morning, students. Let's start with the exercise 1.2. First question, which of the following are null sets? I am taking first and fourth part. You have to tell, are these two sets null sets? You know that null set is an empty set. So, first part is set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. So firstly we will put the symbol of set, we will put curly bracket. Now we will write the elements. Now we will write the odd natural numbers that are divisible by 2. Is there any odd natural number which is divisible by 2? No, na. So this set will remain empty. So yes, this is a null set. Is it okay? Now next is, Y is a point common to any two parallel lines. You have to write the set of those elements which are common to any two parallel lines. See, these are two parallel lines, right? Is there any point common to them? Firstly, we will put the symbol of set, then we will write the points common to any two parallel lines. Again, there is no point common to them, so this set will remain empty and you will write yes, this set is a null set. Next, which sets are finite? Second question, which sets are finite or infinite? Fourth part, set of positive integers greater than 100. Firstly, we write them in roster form. Suppose A is the set. You have to write the positive integers which are greater than 100. So the positive integer greater than 100 will start from 101, then 102, then 103 up to so on. Is it finite or infinite? Clearly it is infinite because ending is not there. Clear? So this is what? This is infinite set. Next is set of prime numbers less than 100. Again you will write it in roster form. You know that the prime numbers start from 2, then 3, then 5 up to 99. Less than 99 it is what? 97. Clear? And before that it is 89. You may write. So this is what? This is finite set because ending is there. Clear? Next is question number 3. State whether these sets are finite or infinite. Again you have to same question. Set of first part, set of lines parallel to x-axis. See, set of lines parallel to x-axis. This is x-axis. Now how many lines can you take parallel to this? This line, this. There are what? There are many lines here also, below also you can take. So there are infinite lines which you can take. So this set is also infinite. Clear? Now next is set of animals living on earth. Can you count the animals living on earth? Yes, census is done after every 10 years for human beings, right? So set of animals living on the earth, that also you can count. So this is what? This is a finite set. Clear? Now next is state whether A is equal to B or not. You have to state, you have to tell whether A and B are equal or not. A set is written in roster form while B set is written in set builder form. So firstly try to make set B also in roster form. So then you will compare. So what is set B? X such that X is positive integer and X is less than equal to 10. Now write those positive even integers which are less than equal to 10. Positive even integers start from 2. Next 4, then 6, 8 and equal to 10, it means you have to finish at 10. Now compare A and B. See children, you are watching that in A it is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. B is also 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So you have to state whether A is equal to B. Yes, A is equal to B. Clear? Is it okay? Next is fourth part. A is a multiple of 10 and B is the set 10, 15, 20, 25. This time B is written in roster form and A is a multiple of 10. So A is what? Multiple of 10s. You will take 10, 20, 30, 40 up to so on. Now compare it with B. Here 15 is there. So the elements are not equal. It means A is not equal to B. Clear? Now next is which pairs are equal? Give reasons. A, I am taking this part. There are two parts, so I am taking the first part. Which pair is equal? Is A equal to B? A is 2, 3. Again write B in roster form. X is a solution of equation x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So after solving this equation, you know that it is x square plus 3x. You will split the middle term and you will get this. So x plus 3, x plus 2. It means either x plus 3 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. So B is what? In set builder form, it may be written in roster form, it may be written like this. Now A was 2, 3, B is minus 2, minus 3. Are A and B equal? No. So A is not equal to B. So this was all about exercise 1.2. Now complete your exercise 1.2. Right? And tomorrow we will start with the concepts of exercise 3. Thank you.